Beautiful babes, so welcome back to Sugar Fingers. It is Sweet Angel. Listen, y'all, I wanted to try something different today, so I decided to go ahead and record this portion of my sit down trying to do my manicure today. So I'm only going to do and try this on one of my nails to see how it turns out, but I wanted to do this marbled ombre French nail today, and I'm not sure how this is going to work out, so I'm going to start now and let you see the process that I'm attempting to do. And of course, you know I'm not good at acrylic nails, so I'm going to do this with my gel nail polish, so get ready for it. Right now I'm just going ahead and cleaning up my nails. I went ahead and just removed the gel polish that was on it. I am a natural nail girl, so everything that you see on top of my nails is basically just gel nail polish. That's all I use. My favorite nail drill currently is, of course, the Melody Susie. That's what I use. That's what I love. Very lightweight, very easy. But the ceramic drill bits did not come with the Melody Susie. Those I bought separate, and I do have a video on those. So here you'll see me go ahead and just clean off my nails using just 91% volume alcohol. That's all it takes in order to just sanitize the nail, clean it, and also I used a buffer to go ahead and smooth out the nails for the areas of where I was drilling that I really didn't get in there good. And I just wipe it down with an alcohol on paper towels or cotton rounds or whatever you want to use with that. So the key to keeping your nail enhancement or whatever you have on your nails intact is to make sure you adequately prep them. And I love the Azure Beauty nail prep and prime kind of dehydrator and primer that I love to use. I put this on my natural nail. As you can see, I do leave part of the gel nail polish on there because, of course, with my natural nails, they get extremely long and weaker if I don't put anything on them or leave a base of that. So I put tons of gel nail polish on my nails just to keep them intact. I know my camera is not focusing really well at the moment, but I just wanted to show you how my natural nail just kind of peeps out in various areas right there of the nail. So I make sure I do put the dehydrator on there, and then I'll go in with the primer. So this is how to really secure your nail enhancement so that they don't lift or they don't peel away. It just pretty much helps to keep them intact. So now I'm just using the primer. And again, this came in a set with on Amazon, Azure Beauty is the seller, and I'm just priming my nail now. And I'm just going to try to get close, but you know, my camera was doing a number. She don't want to act right sometimes, you know, just slow focusing little camera, but she's going to come along one day. And probably my lighting was kind of dim too, because this was just a off the top of the head kind of thing, like, okay, let's try this today. But anywho, I got it all prepped and primed and get ready to apply my base coat of nail polish. I will let that sit for just about a minute or so. What I'm going to do first is pull out these little extra nail polish, or it's actually probably like lipstick applicators, but I use them when I'm trying to do designs on my nails. So I'll pull out a couple of these so that I can attempt to do the creation that I have in my mind. You know, sometimes you just have to be creative and try things. So that's why I'm only using this on one nail. And now that that's set for a minute, I will go ahead and apply my base coat. This base coat comes from Amazon, but the seller is and the maker is Melody Susie, which is one of the top-notch nail product carriers that I know about. But this base coat, I love it. I love the set. It comes in a set with the top coat and the base coat. So when I do my base coat, I put on a little bit and I cure it for a few seconds, or kind of nuke it just a little bit for a few seconds, and then I'll put on another coat. What I'm trying to do is just build up a base for my nails, since I don't use any other nail enhancement like acrylic or builder gel. This is my nail lamp, and this nail lamp, y'all, I thought I loved it so much, but it actually tans my hands, and I don't like that part of it. So I'm actually looking at one that is made by Melody Susie. I'll link this one down below, but I'm not one to recommend this particular one. Again, I don't know what it is about the lighting or something, but it does tan my hands, and I have to put on sunscreen or either a glove so my hands don't get my fingers don't get darker than my hands. So it's crazy. So now I'm just applying another layer of the base coat, and I'm getting a little bit closer to the edges with this one. The first one I just kind of tried to build up my apex a little bit with it. This is just something that I do on my natural nails. This is something that may not be generally done when it comes to gel nail polish or the base. Usually it's just one coat of the base, but for me, I build this up myself and it upholds. I mean, you see my hands if you watch me at all on my beauty channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel. You know, I do a lot of putting my hands in water, chopping up fruits, vegetables, and so forth. You know, my nails are usually always intact. It's not going anywhere, that's for sure. So again, I nuke that for a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and put on a third coat. Yes, I will. A third coat of the base. After I think about it for a few seconds, I said, well, I'm gonna put on a little bit more of it. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. So this is really going to be adequate enough that I really don't have to put any other nail enhancement on, like acrylic or builder gel or poly gel on my natural nail, but I do still need the strength. And you know, once you go ahead and cure the gel nail polish, honey, is hard as a rock for sure. Just cure it and you're good to go. So this is the polish I will be putting on first. This is by Vina Lisa, I believe, and I'll have the information right on the screen so you can see what the shade and all of that is. But this is what I'm going to put on first. So let me just show you what this one looks like. This is a nude pink shade, and that'll be the first coat that I put on. And then I'm going to take this gel nail polish from Beetles number 419. It is a pure white that I'll be applying on the tip of the nails. So if you are ready, I guess I'll go ahead and get started with the process. So I'm just taking that nude pink shade and I'm putting that on the lower portion of the nail next to the cuticle. And we're just going to cure that for 30 seconds or so. And I decided it would be a lot easier if I just took my polish, my gel nail polish, poured it onto a card for the pink, nude pink, and the white, and then just dip my little brushes into that versus doing this from the bottle, because I didn't want to cross the colors in any way in the bottles. So that's what you see me doing right there, and I'm just going to continue in stride with it once I finish pouring those onto the cards. So I did the pink again, the nude pink, and also the white on the cards. And now, honey, the nail shop is back open again. Now, y'all all know that I am not a licensed nail tech professional or anything like that. I just do my nails myself at home. Been doing that for years. Probably have gone to the nail salon 5 times, maybe 10, but that's it. So on here right now, I'm just topping it off with the white on top. Again, this is a marble ombre French nail situation going on here with gel nail polish on my natural nails, in case you missed that part. So that's what she looks like right there. And I will go ahead, put my hand inside this terrible little lamp I have that's 10 in my fingertips, I will be definitely buying me another one. So after about 30 seconds or so, I'll go ahead and proceed on with the next part of this, which is just taking the brush, putting on a little bit more of the white on the tip here, and just trying to bring it out a little bit more. At first it was just a little bit too light, and just trying to adjust my hands. These little brushes are so thin because I'm used to actually holding the cap of the nail polish bottle. But anywho, I'm going to take also the nude pink and kind of blend it in a little bit. Once I finish this nail, I'll just tell you this in the beginning, I then figured out exactly what my mission was on this. So I'm probably going to try this on my other nails, but I will do more swirling than just straight polishing back and forth like so. So that was my dilemma at that moment. However, it wasn't too painfully bad. As you can see, it's kind of coming together a little bit, and I ain't mad at her. But it is just a process that, again, when you're trying new things, you just have to kind of feel your way through it. I did try to watch a few videos, but most people were doing this with the actual acrylic. So, you know me, I can't handle the acrylic. Dries too fast for me, honey. I'm too slow for that. But this is what I'm working with today. So back into the nail lamp. We'll do that for, again, 30 seconds or so, and then we'll check out and see what we have, if I need to apply any more to my nails. Okay, so what we have. All right, so I said, well, that's enough, and I'm just taking the nude pink shade by Vina Lisa and just smoothing it over the nails. Those little brushes are a little bit more firmer, of course, than the actual nail polish brushes, so I wanted to make sure it was smoothed out properly. And I'm going to clean up around the edges here. Kind of swirl it just a little bit. Again, I have a new idea. Once I do the other nails, I know exactly which direction to go in and make things a lot better and prettier. But overall, it ain't too bad. It's not too bad. So I'm just gonna nuke it, be back in a second. Okay, now that is pretty much dry, which it is dry or cured, so to speak. I'm old school, nail polish drying, hint hint. But anyway, it's cured, and I'm just going to take my buffer and kind of smooth it out a little bit to kind of get some of the marbleization popping through on it a little bit. And once I finish that, it should be time for the top coat, so we shall see what it looks like in a second. Yeah, we'll see here. Okay, I think that's about enough buffing. I'm gonna buff it all away if I keep that up. So I'll just clean it up using, of course, my alcohol and a paper towel. And I kind of like it. Let me just take care of these little edges around here, because I can't always get it right on there, but this takes care of it. This will just get the little leakage from the overspill on my outer nail or cuticle area off of there. Looking pretty decent to me. A little bit more over here, and I might be on to something. Y'all, I might be on to something. You better watch out. Have you subscribed to the channel while we're goofing off right here? Have you subscribed to Sugar Fingers? Just some DIY kind of stuff going on. Y'all, that don't look too bad. I mean, I know my camera's not in focus, but hold on. Let me help you out a little bit. Yeah. That's all right. So now I'm going to take my top coat, and honey, I'll be finito. I'm not playing with y'all. I'm going to get these nails done. I'll be doing my thing now. I'll be doing my thing with these nails, because ain't nobody getting my dimes. I don't have that many to give. So I got to do it myself. Got to do it myself. especially nowadays. Y'all, I ain't playing with you. So anywho, it's looking pretty decent, don't you think so? I think so. If you like it, drop a like on here. Tell me that. Drop me some hearts or some fingers or something down in the comments and let me know that you're feeling what I'm doing, okay? I think it's gonna be all right. So let me go ahead and get this one cured and I'll be back momentarily. Well, it's not cured yet, but you did see a little sneak peek of it there. And honey, I am not mad at it. I think it's going to work out simply just fine. You know, for me, I'm Gucci. Okay. Now the nail has been cured and it's time to go ahead and wipe it off with this alcohol and paper towel, and I'll do the final reveal and let you see and let you rate it and you tell me whether it's a yay or a nay. So let me move this out the way. Now you check out the nail. What do you think? Bring you in closer? Oh, now you're not gonna make me do that, are you? Just kidding. I don't mind bringing it in closer, honey. Here you go. There you go. What you see? A nail that's finished. It's complete. It's done. Beautiful babes. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I did love doing this, and I'm going to finish the rest of my nails so I can be looking cute. So we can mix up some treatments over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel. I'll see you later. Bye. And make sure you keep those hands looking gorgeous. See you on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles!